Hey everyone, I want to show you something. This project was able to raise 1197 BNB, which is equal to $600,000 as of March 2024. This project was able to raise 238 Ethereum, which is equal to 950,000 US dollars or roughly $1 million in today's value. And this project was able to raise 353 BNB, which is equivalent to $200,000 as of today. Now, these three projects and many other on Pinksale, other crypto launchpads, as well as on blockchain overall, have one thing in common. All of them are pure rug pull or scam projects. I will show you how I have spotted these projects to be scam projects and what have they done because they have not spent a single penny on marketing. Yet they were able to raise $250,000, $1 million, and 600,000 or more than $500,000. And there are other projects on Pinksale in the leaderboard which have raised more than $3 million, and they were again rug pull or scam projects. They were not advertising or they were not buying marketing. Instead, they were doing something else to raise these funds. And once they were able to raise these funds, they just scammed the investors, took their money, and ran away. And I can prove that to you guys. The first red flag always is their website will be gone. All three of them, you can see their website is gone. You can see this one as well. The website is down. Similarly, their X and their Telegram is gone as well. Or even if it exists, you are not allowed to post and they are not active. But the easiest way to spot these scam projects is simply go ahead and view their chart. And if their chart looks something like this, which is a complete red chart, then obviously these are Rugpull projects. And I'm not just saying that because I will be proving this one by one in all of these projects. Let's just go to Metab 3. They were able to raise approximately 1200 BNB, which is around $600,000 in less than 2 days, as you can see here. Now, if you go to their chart, I have opened it here. Their chart looks something like this. And lucky for us, blockchain has all the historical data of all the transactions. This is when the trading got enabled right after their fair launch or pre-sale. And after 6 minutes, you can see a few wallets sold huge amounts of these tokens. The first one was $43,000, more than $43,000. It was followed by $13,000, $3,700. And similarly, it will go on and on, 11,000. So as you can see, it was a massive sell-off, which resulted in this red candle. And then eventually on this day, on 15th or 16th of February, they were able to withdraw the entire liquidity from the liquidity pool. And this is why I mentioned repeatedly that the liquidity pool should be locked for at least 1 year to 10 years. The higher, the better, because in this case, their liquidity pool was only locked for 30 days. And after 30 days, they were able to withdraw that 51% of the remaining funds from liquidity pool as well, and they just got away with all these funds. Similarly, if you go to this project, they were able to raise approximately $1 million in less than a day, as you can see here. And if you go to their chart, it looks exactly the similar. And here, when the trading got enabled on this day, right after the trading got enabled, the first wallet sold somewhere around $1,700 or $1,800. But right after that, you can see some massive sell-offs like $10,000, $10,000, 11,000 plus dollars, $5,000, repeatedly $8,000. Repeatedly, you can see massive red candles, massive sell-off, which again resulted in these red candles, and the investors lost all the money. In their case, the liquidity lockup period was higher, I believe, as you can see in 9 months. So their liquidity lockup period was 12 months, out of which 3 months have passed. So in 9 months, there will be another red candle like this, and whatever is left in the liquidity pool will be withdrawn, and they will take that amount from the liquidity pool as well. And in the case of this project, if you go to the chart, you can see again similar chart to this project. It's absolutely identical. And once again, If you go and scroll all the way to the bottom of this chart, you can see right after the trading got enabled, there was a massive sell-off of $31,000. Other than selling all the tokens right away, they did something else on this day, and I can show you through BSC scan what they exactly did. So if you go to their token address, which is this one, click on the token tracker, and here you can see they removed the entire liquidity from the liquidity pool. Let's open this transaction on the blockchain. And as you can see, at the time of withdrawal, it was 43.87 BNB, which was approximately $21,500. So other than this $32,000, they were able to withdraw additional $21,500 from the liquidity pool. So basically they scammed their investors on these projects. These were pure rug pull projects and they just vanished with the investors' money. Now, none of these projects spent anything on marketing, yet they were able to raise millions of dollars or $500,000 in a couple of days. They can never be traced or tracked in any way possible because blockchain is completely decentralized. And even though the wallets are public, there is no identity associated to these wallets. They have pulled the rug and got away with it. Now I'm showing you all of this because other than what I have taught you in the original course, CoinCraftBlueprint, there are other methods which people use frequently to rug pull or scam the investors, and they're extremely common and easy to implement. For this, I have designed another course for purely educational purpose, in which I'll be decoding and showing everyone step by step how these projects raise millions of dollars without marketing, how they trend on Pinksale and other websites on the internet, how they raise the money, pull the rug, or scam their investors and just move on without leaving a single trace. And they keep repeating this. A lot of them become millionaires just by doing this in less than a year. As you can see in this project, they were able to raise $1 million, approximately $1 million in from just one project. This course is designed not for anyone to follow or implement, but for educational purpose purely. I'll be diving deep in how you can spot such projects and ICOs. Their method involve using different kind of softwares and bots, which I'll be sharing in this course with everyone and showing how they use these softwares and bots. And after they raise these funds, how exactly they stay anonymous and successfully get away with all these funds. It will be a short course, yet I'll cover and decode their methods step by step for educational purposes. According to different estimates, in the last 2 years alone, total raised funds for ICOs and new crypto projects were around $9 billion. And out of this, 63% were similar rug pull or scam projects. Not even a single person was traced because blockchain and crypto in general is decentralized. This course will enable you to see the other side of the spectrum and understand how these actors are implemented these wide range scam projects and how they get away with millions of dollars in just a couple of days. What I've shown you in the original course, which is CoinCraft Blueprint, is the right way of doing things, which is what every one of you should follow. And in the next course, which I'm calling Decoding Crypto Rugpulls, a complete guide, I'll be decoding and showing you how people implement this wrong way of doing things. Once again, I want all of you to have full knowledge of crypto, blockchain, and how you can spot such projects. I am in no way suggesting or teaching anyone these methods. It is purely for educational purpose, so you and your loved ones don't fall victim to these projects. I'll see you in the course.